Hello everyone, my name is Marilyn and I just want to give my testimony on Pop-On Veneers, the best decision I ever made. At first I was skeptical, as I'm sure many of you looking at the Pop-On Veneers videos. How good are they? Do they look like real teeth? Is it something that looks like you put little chiclets there and you're gonna waste the money? It wasn't. It wasn't for me. I want to show you my teeth, what they look like now. I'm not really happy with them. I don't like to smile a lot. Never did, because my teeth were never white. They were on a yellow basis. I missed a couple of teeth there that I had to have pulled, but I want to show you what they look like now. So as I hold the phone up to you, I want to pop them in with, and literally pop them in with my other hand. One in the tops.
A 21-year-old man from Franklin was arrested. He'll be charged with motor vehicle homicide, driving negligently, and under the influence of alcohol.
They're a lot better.
Investigators
I can
stayed
smile.
on scene through Saturday and Sunday, trying to pinpoint how and why.
And they cover everything. I can drink with them. I can eat lightly with them. I don't want to take a chance and eat anything heavy. I don't want them to break. They don't feel like teeth over teeth. They feel like teeth. They're smooth. What do you think? Give them a try. I ordered a second set just for a spare. I think you'll be happy too. The impressions that they send you come out, go back in 2 days, they get them, and then a week and a half later, your pop-ons are delivered to you. I hope you enjoy them as well as I do. Bye.